Ensure your computer connected to the Ethernet wireless. Go to the Google Chrome. Enter HP LaserJet P2035n printer driver in the search box and click on the search icon. From the search results, click on the official HP website for that printer model. Choose the correct version of Windows that you are using, example Windows 10 64-bit, Windows 11. Download the appropriate driver file for your operating system. It might be a .x file or a zipped folder. If it's an .x file, simply run it and follow the on-screen instructions. If it's a zipped folder, extract the contents and then run the setup file, usually named setup.x or something similar. Open Control Panel. In the Control Panel window, click on Hardware and Sound. Click on Devices and Printers. Click on the Add a Printer. Click on the printer that I want isn't listed. Select Add a Printer using an IP address or hostname. Click Next. Ensure the printer is powered on and connected to the same network Ethernet. Print a configuration page from the printer's control panel. Select TCP/IP and enter the printer's IP address. Next, choose HP LaserJet P2035n from the driver list or browse to the downloaded driver. Follow the video instructions.